Here you have the 2025 Forest River Aurora Light 16 BHX. The Aurora brand is made specifically for Blue Compass RV retailers. Overall length is 19.5 feet. Dry weight is 2,969 pounds. You have a gas electric DSI hot water heater. It is a single axle. Your gray and black gate valves. It is a manual level system on the scissor jack. It is a 30 amp service. All the Auroras do feature a black water or black tank flush, as well as prepped for a ladder and a backup camera. Your city water connection there at the rear. Now it does have a 10-foot awning, outdoor speakers. The vent hood vents directly outside, and it does have LEDs underneath the electric awning that you are able to change the color of the LEDs underneath the awning. This is your storage access. You'll notice it is plywood. It is 5/8 tongue and groove plywood on the flooring of these. Coming inside, you do have a full-time bed. You've got your overhead storage, smart television, JBL speaker system, your analog switch plate, 2-burner stove, your vent hood, again, your microwave. It is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. I can open it up here for us. And freezer up top. You do have a full step-in shower. And again, being the 16 BHX model, it is a bunk beds. Jackknife couch with under couch storage, and as well as additional storage in the headboard.